Hi, I'm Marissa Boone with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 14 Hazen Drive. This beautiful new construction home features a modern farmhouse style. Let's take a look. Enjoy the peace and quiet, as the property is just shy of 2 acres and is located at the end of a private, low-traffic road. Enter to a spacious mudroom with access to the oversized garage and heated workshop. Next is the beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, and a butler's pantry. The dinette follows, offering additional lighting for a cozy seating area. From here, head into the spacious living room, which accesses the covered front veranda. The den could also be a main floor bedroom for those seeking one-level living. This level also hosts a formal dining room, full bathroom, and a laundry room. Enjoy year-round comfort and convenience with the forced air heat pump with central air. Head up the solid maple stairwell to find 3 spacious bedrooms and another full bathroom. The primary bedroom boasts a beautiful ensuite bathroom with double vanity, soaker tub, and a beautiful walk-in tile shower. The lower level awaits your finishing touch, with egress windows for additional bedrooms. Thanks for watching. For more information on 14 Hazen Drive and Killarney Road, visit our website, frederictonhomes.com.